أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. It's me Qari Faisal Shafiq and you're watching Join Online Quran YouTube channel. Yes listeners, in the previous lectures we started tahajji series and we discussed almost 5 tahajji letters. So today we are going to start 6th tahajji letter. So, which one is sixth tahajji letter? So, sixth tahajji letter is Ha. So, today we will discuss in this lecture so how we can pronounce this letter Ha and how we can sound this letter Ha and what's the point of pronunciation of this letter Ha, and we will discuss where from we can originate this. Okay, so let's start. So how to read this letter first? So I'm gonna read this letter. So you have to read like Ha with a very clear sound from your throat, and you have to read this letter with opening mouth like Ha. We cannot read this letter like He. Okay, so you have to read with opening mouth first. And second thing, where from we can originate this letter? So look, in this picture this arrow is showing the part of throat where from we can originate this letter Ha. So there are three parts of your throat. First one is upper part of your throat, second one is middle part of your throat, and third one is bottom part of your throat. So you have to read this letter Ha from middle part of your throat. Okay, so very clear sound. You have to read this letter Ha like that. Okay, so that's mean the point of pronunciation of this letter is middle part of your throat. I hope you practiced all the previous letters, and inshallah you will practice this letter too to become a good reciter. Okay, so inshallah in the next lecture we will start 7th tahajji letter. Okay, so take your good care till and enjoy your day. Inshallah we'll see you in the next session, in the next tutorial, and please must subscribe our channel and must share all the lectures on your Facebook and on your Instagram. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.